Hi, so this is Dolphin D704 on Grand Princess, and this is bathroom. This is mini suite, so it has a bathtub. Never used it though. Toilet, regular amenities, everything, towels. There was enough storage. A huge closet, as you can see. And here's a bedroom. There's a sofa couch that turned into bed, and on top there's a Pullman bed. So we had our two teenagers with us, and they slept very comfortably. And it has a small balcony, does not have cover. So when it was raining, everything was wet and you couldn't really come out on the balcony. But anyway, we were very happy to have a balcony because the views in Alaska were amazing. See over here. If you go up on the different floors, they have cover. I feel it's better, but our balcony was bigger, so you decide. And I like to have breakfast every morning on the balcony and just enjoy the view. This was amazing. This was Alaskan cruise 7-day from Vancouver inside Passage, and we loved it. I think it stopped in Juneau, Skagway, Ketchikan, got back to Vancouver. Thank you for watching.